Hi everyone, today our topic is countable and uncountable nouns. And what are they? What are they stands for? Countable and uncountable nouns. Today I'm going to talk about countable and uncountable nouns, and let's begin to our new topic. And guys, our topic begins with countable nouns are the things that we can count. And as you see, we can count these nouns, and that's why their names are uncountable nouns. Okay, the point is we can count countable nouns. For example, we can count these names with our hands. Okay, for example, car, 1 2 3 4. I got 5 car, I got 5 dog. Okay, for example. And we are going on to our session, and guys, they can be singular. They can be singular. For example, an apple. An apple. We can count an apple. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. And we can count an apple because it is singular. Okay, and in plural we have 4 apples. 4. I count 1 2 3 and 4. We have 4 apples, as you see, guys, and it is what? It is plural. And we are going on, guys, we are going on. Remember that and an is used for any noun that begins with a vowel. Our last session I told you that an is used for any noun that begins with a vowel. It means A, E, I, O, and U, by the way. And but you sometimes it may be an exceptional. For example, a university, because we say u instead of y. But we have umbrella. Okay, an umbrella. Okay, my friends, and we are going on with this session. An avocado. Okay, it is the an avocado. A, we have a in our noun, and that's why we should use what? We should use an. Okay, and an egg, because we have what? We have e, an egg. Okay, and we have an ice cream. We have an ice cream. Okay, and we have an orange. We have o in our noun, and it is an orange. Okay, an orange. And we come to uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are substances, concepts, etc. that we cannot divide into separate elements. Separate means we can't count them. It's like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, we can separate them. For example, 5 of them is mine and 5 of them is yours, but we can't divide into separate elements. What? Uncountable nouns. That means we can separate countable nouns, but we can't separate uncountable nouns. Okay, and let's find out what are these uncountable nouns. For example, they only have singular forms: bread, butter, breads, butters. Bread and butter is uncountable nouns, and they have only what? They have only singular type, singular forms. They can't be plural. Breads and butters, no, but we have some breads, some butter, but we can't say that butters and breads, okay, because they have only singular forms. Understand, guys? And I'm passing this page. And honey is also an uncountable thing. Okay, honey. We say our beloved ones, say that our girlfriends, our loved ones say that honey, but not that honey, of course. It is a honey, okay, and we can't say that a honey, but we can't say it in a plural side, but we know that honey is uncountable, guys. Okay, and guys, we are going on with mayonnaise. Okay, and we have mayonnaise, and it is uncountable as well. And we have ketchup. Ketchup is uncountable as well. And we have some. Remember that before the last session I told you the some, any, and an. We have some. We use that in only affirmative, and we use that in only for both countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, and we are going on. We use it for, yes, we use it for what? We use it for plural affirmative sentences. We use some plural affirmative sentences. Okay, guys, and we are going on, and we have countable nouns as I need some potatoes. As you see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I can count these guys. Okay, and I need some potatoes, and it is countable noun. And uncountable, and we have cheese. Teacher, we can say that there's a one cheese. You are right, but we can separate like potato, remember? And I have some cheese. Okay, I have some cheese, and it is uncountable noun. Okay, and we are going on with, and for questions, yes, for questions we have what? Could I have some cookies, please? Could I have some cookies? 1 2 3 4 5. As you see, I can count, but tea, I can't separate this tea. I can't count the tea because tea is in a shape of mug, coffee mug. Okay, but I can count these guys. Could I have some cookies, please? And would you like some tea? Would you like some tea? Yes, I would like some tea. Or could I have some cookies, please? Yes, you could, and you can have some cookies from our house. Okay, guys, and guys, we are going on with any. And what is any? I told you before, guys. I think you are saying that with a loud voice. Teacher told us that in the last session, and any is used in countable and uncountable nouns, and we can use any with questions and negative sentences. Okay, you remember that we can use any with questions, and at the same time we can use it with negative sentences. And that's enough for the information part. And we use it for plural negative sentences. We use it for plural negative sentences, and these are like, I haven't got any carrots. Okay, I haven't got any carrots. As you see, I haven't got any carrots. It's a negative not question, it's a negative sentence, and we use what? We use any with negative. Okay, and guys, we are going with uncountable nouns. I haven't got any sugar. I haven't got any sugar. Sugar is uncountable, and I haven't got any sugar. I haven't got any. I use any. It is a sign of negative, and sugar is uncountable, guys, as you see. Okay, and we have questions. Are there any strawberries on the table? Are there any strawberries on the table? And as you see, I can count strawberries. 1, 2, 3, but I can't count this milk. It's in a shape of cartoon, but I can't. Is there any milk on the fridge? Yes, we have some milk on the fridge. Are there any strawberries on the table? Yes, we have. You can eat them whenever you want. And guys, we can use phrases for quantities. Phrases of quantities. We can use phrases of quantities for what? For countable nouns. Phrases of quantity. Quantity means amount. Okay, and we are using that. A slice of watermelon. Watermelon, what is watermelon? As you see, watermelon is this is a watermelon, and in summer we can eat watermelon, and this is my favorite type of fruit, and I love watermelon. I hope I wish we are in summer and we can eat watermelon as well. And this is a slice of watermelon. And sorry about that, I want to clear my throat. A kilo of bananas. A kilo of bananas. Okay, I made a quantity of phrase, and slice is also an amount of quantity. Okay, I use that as slice, and in that picture I used as a kilo of bananas and a bunch of grapes. Grapes, and this is grapes, guys, and a bunch of, it means a bunch. It's a bunch of grapes, guys. Okay. And we are going on. We are going on with the pictures. A sack of potatoes. This is a sack, and we can play with sack in spring festivals. For example, in our school, in all the schools all over the world, we have spring festivals, and a sack is used in festivals, and we use with potatoes. And a sack of potatoes, it means quantity. Okay, guys, it helps to count these potatoes. Okay. And uncountable nouns, yes, again uncountable nouns. We have slices of, I need different color, slices of breads. As you see, it is a type of quantity. 1, 2, 3, 4 slices. Okay, guys. And guys, and we need a carton of milk. A carton of milk. Okay, a carton of milk. It is a quantity as well. A carton of milk. It is also an quantity. Okay. And a cup of coffee. A cup of coffee. As you see, this is a cup of coffee. In this mug, we have a coffee. We have coffee, not a coffee, sorry. And we can count the coffee in this coffee mug. Actually, we can't, but we can see the amount, the quantity. Okay. And how much? A cup of coffee, please. Okay. I say that my quantity to the waiter. Okay, how much? A cup of coffee. Okay. And a glass of orange juice, but the quantity is a glass of. This is R. Oh, not G. Sorry about that. Not G. Why I can't erase that? It is our quantity. A glass of orange juice. Okay. And guys, we are going with this. A bottle of water. A bottle of water. As you see, this is a bottle of water, and a bottle is our quantity, I mean amount. Okay. And a piece of cake. A piece of cake. It means it is our quantity. I want a piece of cake. I should write down quantity, and yes, very well. And three bars of chocolate. Okay, 3 bars of chocolate. Okay. And how much? 3 bars of chocolates. Yeah, I love chocolates. I think all of us love chocolate. Chocolate is the favorite things among girls, especially. Girls love chocolate. When they are depressed or when they are sad, they can eat chocolates whenever they want, I think. And it's a bowl of rice. Bowl is this. This is a bowl. Okay, a bowl of rice. We can see that in this picture we have a bowl of rice. Okay, and we are going on with a jar of jam. We have a jar of jam. Okay, a jar of jam. Jar is our quantity, and this is a jar. This is a jar of jam, strawberry jam actually, and we have a jar in we have jam in this jar. Okay, and I think that's all for that topic, and I think it's very helpful for you guys. You can download that video and you can watch them on our YouTube channel whenever you want. Just type that Sercan KILAVUZ English grammar and Sercan KILAVUZ FI schools, whatever you want, and write down on this YouTube channel countable and uncountable. And this is, I think, in English grammar it is very important, because many students can should learn that topic on your own or with the help of me, and I helped you guys. I hope it will be very good for you, and you can make notes and you can study whenever you want and wherever you want at the same time. And thank you for listening and watching, guys, and I think these videos are helpful for you for your English grammar and for your improving. And see you next session. Okay, bye. Thank you, guys.